Hey guys, it's Alec here from Build a Nerd, and in today's video we're 3D printing this awesome egg file that you can like see through and you can put stuff in. It's really cool. Let's check it out. Since it's the month of April and Easter is coming up, I wanted to print something egg themed that I could display. I found this awesome model on Fab365's website. It was only $4, which is a great deal in my opinion. This model is printed without any supports and all assembled, which made it even more awesome. I printed this model on my Creality CR10 in some majestic purple PLA from Ziltech. The print also came with a little table stand so the model can sit upright. This model is a great Easter gift idea or just something fun to have displayed around the house. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video and want to see more, please like, comment, subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.